Ekabo, I am Habeeb Lateef and I am a navigator from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to be sharing you 5 tips to help you in your Space Apps challenge. Number 1, understand the challenge. Before the challenge begins, thoroughly review the available challenges. Choose the one that aligns with your team's strengths and your interests. Make sure everyone is clear on the problem statement and objectives. Number 2, assemble a diverse team. A diverse team with a mix of skills and a mix of domain knowledge can tackle problems from multiple angles. Number 3, plan on paper first. Before diving into coding or diving into designing, take time to plan your project on paper. Brainstorm with your team, outline your ideas, and ensure that every aspect of your solution is thoroughly considered. Number 4, thorough research and review. Review scholarly articles related projects to gather insights. This will help you to understand the problem even better. Number 5, clarify submission requirements. Before you start building, understand the submission requirements in detail. Whether it's a mobile app, a slide deck, or something else, knowing the format and criteria in advance will help you to meet the expectations. Thank you.